Hi guys, I did a subscription with Scrawlr, and yeah, this is what we got. This is the free box that we got. So if you haven't done a subscription with Scrawlr, I think I got an email a couple of days back. So you know what, I did 6 months subscription because my birthday month is coming in November. So yeah, I wanted to have a subscription box ready for that. So yeah, this is the free box we got. I think I'll show you. It was the January 2022 box. I just wanted to try out the art materials in this. It wasn't anything fancy. I've had the brush pens that are available in this pen kit already. So I'm just quickly pop it open and show you what I mean. Right, so this is the paper we had inside the box. I think Scrawlr has a possible subscription with Clairefontaine papers or something, because most of their boxes do include this paper. I'm not a fan of it myself. Whenever I use watercolor pencils or anything like that, watercolors, it just makes the paper pill, and I had the same issue with this paper. You will see my video of when I was trying to draw with the pens. These are the brush pens, the Deco Brush Pigment. I think you say it's Karen or Karin. Yeah, I think that's Karen. And I've had pens like these before, and I wasn't really blown away by them because I just didn't know how to use them. And got a, is this a, yes, this is a Faber-Castell H pencil. So it's initially meant to be a light pencil, and we've got a Micron 12. This is quite a big nib. I'll just show you quickly. I mean, that is quite thick. So I would probably ideally use this for if I was doing, like, I don't know, outlines on a design, just to give it a bit of that pop art kind of feel. But I wanted to try it out. I will show you the pens, the colors that we get. We get 4 colors, and they're quite bright. These pinks initially are more opaque, so I'll show you the ones I got both previously in a it was a Scrawlr box previously, and those were these colors. So these were basically the Brush Marker Pro by Karen. I still couldn't figure out how to use these. We had a blender one as well, and 4 colors or 3 colors, and I thought maybe this time it would be different. These are just basically opaque. You can see these are more clear, and then these are more opaque. So I think these ones have shakers in them. Just quickly shake that. Yeah, it does have a shaker inside, so you have to shake the paint before using them. But anyways, let's just pop these away. And we got the nice sticker for this month, or let's say past January month. Had like an autumn theme, and I know it's like autumn now because we're in October now, so we got this box free. So I just wanted to try it out. And we got the candy, which is a Tango Chew. This chew bar. I don't know if I can eat this. I don't know if it says veg. Oh, it does. Okay, so it says it's vegetarian and it's halal, and it's also a kosher, good for a kosher diet. So that's great. I'm liking that they're thinking about everyone in their boxes now, because that is ideal. So if you're vegan, I'm sorry, I don't think you can eat these. But oh no, it is vegan. I thought that was vegetarian. It's vegan. All right, so we're good. Vegans can eat and everyone, and so that's good. I like that. I'll be eating that later on. This is the card, and the quote that we had for this one was creature comforts. So yeah, I was thinking let's draw a fox with autumn themes, and it didn't turn out good. I've already pre-used them, so I've got the video, and it didn't turn out as beautiful as the artist that we have inside the actual box this time, which is Roots Art here. This is so beautiful. I love it how it's come out. It's very graphic, and I like that. I was trying to do that effect, but it wasn't working. And yes, the pen, the micro pen, when it says it doesn't smudge, it smudges. I smudged it. I don't know how I managed to smudge it, but I did. I don't think the ink dried enough, and then I just basically put my hand over it and it just smudged. It was a different artwork I was working on, so we've lost 2 pages from the 10 pages that we have in the book. This is like what we came up with. I will show you the video here. So I'll pause. as you've seen in the video, the paper was peeling. We had a lot of warpage going on, and the wash just doesn't settle well on the paper. I did do another design afterwards, and because I smudged my pigment micro pen on it, I've binned that. So we've lost 2 pages now. I did come up with another design I will show you now. So I'm going to quickly just put all these back in here. It's a bit neat. I want to move this back a little. Just give me a second. Bring these across. Alright, and I'm going to show you what I drew. I drew a character which is called Sky. It's one of my characters, and I actually just used the H pencil to draw it out. And I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'm going to bring this close. So I did like a full-on drawing. I think pencil on paper is brilliant, okay? But water is a no-no. It will peel the paper. I might just initially take another micron pen and a thinner one and outline this, and yeah, I'll probably use it in that way. Like I said, I've used a Karen pen before in a previous Scrawlr box, and I just haven't gotten used to them still. Now, let me just quickly show you how much it costs, each item. So there's a pack of 4 of the Karen Pigment Deco Pen markers. Now, you can actually use these on glass, plastic, wood, textiles, and even paper. So that's a nice thing, and they're costing £15.99 per set. So that's that. And then we have the Micron black pen in 12. You will have to wait for it to dry so that it is permanent, otherwise it will smudge like I did. I don't know how I managed to do it, but I did. So that's £2.65. And then the paper itself is £3.99. And then the pencil, H pencil, the Faber-Castell one, is £1.35. So all in all, the box is more worth than if you're paying. I know it's not £15 anymore. It's gone up to, I think, is it 18 pounds? Sometimes the previous boxes can be a bit lower in price, but the prices have gone up because of current situation in the UK. So this is a UK brand. But yeah, this is the January box from this year. So I wanted to give it a go because it's like autumn theme. I'm probably still going to give it a go again. I just need to find my way about it. Maybe try on different textiles and see, and wood, and see if it's any good. I got the box for free, so I am happy. I'm going to eat this candy and mull over this thing a bit, but it was fun. It was fun. Thank you for Scrawlr Box for giving this box for free. And hopefully next month, when it's my birthday month, I get to use the art supplies and create something nice out of that. Anyways, thanks for hanging around. I appreciate it. Please subscribe, like, follow my Discord, my Instagram, my Twitch, and my YouTube, of course. I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, say anything in my comment section. Come on, talk to me, guys. And yeah, I will see you next one. Bye.